Oxygen through your nose and your mouth that moistens it, goes to the pharynx, past your larynx. Epiglottis blocks food from the trachea. Air passes to the bronchial tubes. Air passes to the bronchial tubes. Baby, it goes to your lungs like no other type. The way the lungs expand takes your breath away. But when the air mixes in that alveoli, you don't know, oh-oh. You don't know how you inhale, uh-oh. That's the way that you inhale. So, my diaphragm moves with my lungs as I inhale. I don't know why. The bronchi look like roots in my lungs. Air passes to the bronchial tubes. This is the end of our song.